Well, I'd like to thank those people that have watched our videos. Today, we have a special guest.
Yes, we do.
Who is this special guest?
He is Nan's best friend.
All right.
You know, I used to be afraid of dogs.
Why's that?
I used to be a tree.
But, now you love dogs, right?
Well, I love this dog, Duddy. Besides, I'm glad you brought him out today.
Why's that?
Because Duddy is the smartest dog in the world.
How can you say he's the smartest dog in the world?
Look, I will prove he is the smartest dog in the world.
How are you going to do that?
I have a 5-question test for him.
A 5-question test.
Looks like he likes it. Question 1.
All right.
Fill in the blank.
Fill in the blank.
I said that.
All right.
City life is blank.
City life is blank.
Rough. See, he got it right. City life is rough. Question 2. A little bit harder.
Okay.
Question 2. Construction question.
All right.
What part of the house has the chimney on it? Roof. Correct. Roof. Question 3. This is a saying. My blank is worse than my bite.
My blank is worse than my bite.
Bark. Correct. Bark. Question 4.
All right. Question 4.
A little bit harder now. This is a celebrity question.
Celebrity question?
He's not going to get a celebrity question. I'm telling you, he's smart.
Okay.
1950s and 60s. Famous DJ. Blank Man Jack.
Blank Man Jack.
Woof. Correct. Wolfman Jack. Ladies and gentlemen, one more question to prove he's the smartest dog in the world.
Okay.
Category.
What is the category?
Sports trivia.
Sports trivia. He'll never get this.
Prior to 1974, who was Major League Baseball all-time career home run champ? Take your time now. Think it over. Ruth. Correct. Babe Ruth. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why he is the smartest dog in the world.
Yeah, it is. You mean you can talk? Yeah, I can talk.
You ruined it.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's alright.
You know, since we got Danny O'Day here,
That's me.
and Buddy, yeah, that's me. It reminds me back when I was a kid, when I used to watch the Nestle's Quick commercials. And Danny and Farfel would sing, I'm not Farfel. I know you're not Farfel, but he was a dog. So, anybody my age remembers these. And we're going to sing. I'm going to try to use the original Danny O'Day's voice in Farfel. It's not going to be easy.
Yeah, it's easy for you to say. What do you clear on your throat for? I'm singing.
Okay, let's do it.
N-E-S-T-L-E-S, Nestle's makes the very best chocolate.